Today we will be seeing what my slimes look like when I fixed them last night. So here's the pink one. It is very, very stretchy, very nice. It's really cool. I like it very much. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you like this one the best out of all of them. Comment down below hashtag fluffy pink slime. I will be showing you guys my next one. I hope you guys will really enjoy this one. It's super cool. It's this really nice slime. It's this really cool purple color changing slime. So it's a purple to pink. I love it. I hope you guys do. And let me just show you two more, okay? And then this video is over.
Alright guys, I didn't quite get
Okay, so this is my slime right here. It's nice. And that's our last one.
So that's
Here's our last one.
Trust me,
But this is the end of the video. Goodbye, everyone!